That's a nice fish.
Big one! It's a big one! I hope I don't break your pole.
He's big, real big.
Woo! He's heavy. He's about 6 pounds.
There you go, that's a beast. That's a monster.
Nice.
The St. Lawrence River is 744 miles long and serves as the boundary between New York and Canada.
We're going to start off today in the small river system, which is my favorite way to fish for muskies, out of canoes and small boats. This river might not look like much, but I assure you, there are some big, big fish swimming around here. You got it. No, yeah, you got it. Okay. It's easy.
Okay.
Easy. Yeah! And it's off! Yes! Dude, you caught your first muskie! Oh, this is amazing! Do you realize that not too many people can go out on their first trip and catch a muskie?
Bloody muskie! I knew he was underneath there.
So many people try their life to catch a muskie. Nicole has done it on her first trip. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing.
Oh my God.
36 inch muskie. Let's get a quick girth. It's pretty girthy. We got about a 14.5-inch girth.
Yeah.
It's really key to support the body weight of a muskie when you pick them up. Now you hold the tail.
So today we're going out for smallmouth bass today on the St. Lawrence River. We're going to be fishing these shallow bays back here, fishing in only about 6-7 feet of water.
Oh, he's a nice one.
Let me get the net for you, buddy.
Nice.
Yep, we'll get the net.
All right.
Oh, nice.
Over here,
Chris.
over
He's
here.
really
Yeah.
nice. Whoa.
Look at that beast.
A real nice St. Lawrence
Nice.
River smallie right there. Today's the Lachaume show over here.
Nice.
That's a nice fish.
Get it.
No.
Come on, get it. No, all right, get one.
Okay, just pull him up.
Oh,
He's big, real big.
Woo! Ah, he's so busy. He's heavy. He's about 6 pounds.
He's big, he's nice. Whoa, watch out, he's big. There you go, that's a beast. That's a monster.
Nice work.
That was a nice fight too.
Yeah. Feisty guys. And you brought it in. Hey!